In this video, I will cover error messages that may occur on your PAT 4.0 system. Error 14 is internal regulator incorrectly set low. Let me simulate that. Okay, first press the silence button, and then what you need to do is remove the scrap bin, lift the door. Once you lift the door, it says cover is open. Just press the back button to silence it. And what this means is that the regulator inside the dispenser is set too low. So what you need to do is pull the cap up on this internal regulator and turn it clockwise. And then you want to press the tie type button to make sure you have it adjusted properly for the size cable tie that you're using. Once you have that set, you can just take and put your cover back on, reinstall your scrap bin, press the back button, and then you're ready to go. That's how you clear error number 14 on your PAT 4.0 system.